How to buy FARTGIRL token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards from crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them on description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. Make sure to check their Telegram channel too. They include it too on the REFERRAL account. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. This token is created 6 hours ago and increased by 5,000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here, as you can see, it locked by 100%. That's meaning investment in the safe place. This token trending number 8 on section Solana on the screener, as you can see. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. This token under this Solana network. Open your FATGIRL wallet for that. And as you can see, click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token address here. So this is how token, click on it and now type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information, and after that click on swap and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy FARTGIRL token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.